Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, we're going to take a look at how the Remote Software Center tool in Right-Click Tools enables us to more easily provide application installs and user support for our end users. So let's say that we didn't have right-click tools and we had a piece of software that was deployed out through Config Manager, and our end user just, for some reason, couldn't figure out how to get into Software Center, and they need us to help them out. So first we need them to get us our computer name, which can be a fight in and of itself. But once they finally get us that information, we can finally go ahead and start a remote session. Just to go ahead and open Software Center for them. And kick off whatever application install they need. However, if we have right-click tools, we don't even need to jump into their machine at all. Once we've identified the machine, we can go ahead and right-click on it, open our right-click tools, go to our client tools, and pull up Remote Software Center. From here, we'll get that same information just remotely on our own machine, and we can go ahead and kick off whatever install they need remotely without ever having to jump into their machine. Just makes it a much quicker and simpler process. So that's just a quick overview of how the Remote Software Center tool and right-click tools can help you provide better end-user service.